the end of this module with just 2 weeks remaining. This week we'll look at testing in the first session, and then we'll move on to discuss Kanban and the topic of agile process improvement in the second session. So far in this module we've focused on programmer-oriented tests in the form of unit tests. We've used them in the workshops, and some of you commented that you saw the real value of these tests when you applied refactoring to some code. Whilst we've mentioned that there are other types of testing on projects, we haven't said that much about them. So in the first session this week, we'll look at some issues related to testing. In particular, customer-oriented tests that focus on the business goals of the project. And we'll look at a tool called Fitness. And we'll also think about continuous integration tools for running tests for the whole team. These tools are used to catch problems soon after new code is added to a system. And we'll look at a tool called Jenkins. We'll also think about some areas where automated testing is difficult. In the second session, we'll talk about Kanban. This is both different from what we've looked at so far on the course and similar to the general ideas we've discussed. Kanban is an agile approach that can help a team to improve the process it is using to develop software. David Anderson writes about Kanban saying, "Kanban is not a software development methodology or an approach to project management. It requires some processes already in place so that Kanban can be applied to incrementally change the underlying process." That means that its focus is different from extreme programming, Scrum, and feature-driven development. However, there are things in Kanban which will seem familiar, such as limit the amount of work that is in progress at any one time, implement feedback loops, look for opportunities for improvement. We'll look at Kanban thinking about its role in helping to incrementally improve the process so that teams are more effective. See you in the lectures.